And we're back to learning Inkscape in here, day 47. Let me show you the difference option. This is in simple terms just the opposite of union. So union connects and difference splits. So if we use it here, the top element will cut into the bottom element. And if I make the more reddish one, the top one, select them both, use difference, you can see now the other circle, the yellow one, gets this cutout. For union, it didn't make a difference which is on top, but here in this case for difference it does. Obviously it also works on non-ellipse shapes, so for example a rectangle. Then we press Ctrl Z, and you can also put elements in center, so right here, and then have a full cutout of this second element on top, so it doesn't have to be a border or anything. Same goes for text. You can cut into the text. Or use the text as a cutout, and a very simple text effect is actually called like that, a cutout. Some people also call it a knockout text effect. So put the text on top, have for example rectangle at the bottom, use path difference, and now the text is the transparent part of the element. In the last video we've created a home icon just so that we get some practice using the union tool. And let us do it again. So I create a rectangle, then I create a polygon 3 corners, I hold Control when I drag it. And I put it in center right here, and I hold Shift when I resize it from right to left. We put it a little bit above. I add a chimney using the rectangle tool. And then I select it all and use union. So far so good, we've done that in the last video. But in the last video, I've then used the rectangle tool to create a door and a window using a white fill color. That looked alright, but for the most part, you will actually see that the home icon will have a cutout where the window and the door should be. So there are not white elements on top of the red one in this case. Instead, this would be see-through, transparent. So we would see this grayish background, and you can achieve that using path difference. I haven't talked about that in the last video because we haven't talked about difference yet in our playlist. But here you can see I simply hold Shift, left click on the top element, for example the window or the door, and then I hold Shift and click on the red element. Both are selected, I use path difference, and now we've got this home icon with cutouts. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.